Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Sum.
What does the dictionary say?
The aggregate of two or more numbers, magnitudes, quantities, or particulars as determined by or as if by the mathematical process of addition.
Math rap.
This one adds up and is lots of fun. Add two or more numbers and you get the sum. Not just sum, but all in all that is fine. It's the number you put after the equal sign.
Math rap.
Do you understand this whole math term or just some of it? Explain sum in your own words. What is the sum total of your fingers, toes, tongue, teeth, and eyes? What professions work with sums on a daily basis? What is the sum total of days you have lived here on Earth? What will be that sum total next week at the same time? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!